I love free stuff, and Creative Fabrica is going crazy with these bundles. We've got 4 free bundles in this video I want to show you. The first one is a Watercolor Spring Easter bundle, and this thing is completely free. It's worth $68. 20 premium graphics. You can download it for free. Now, I do want to point out these bundles are time sensitive. When the clock hits 0, it's going to be gone forever, or at least it'll be cost money. The free stuff will be gone forever. You get all these products for free when you scroll down here. You get a butterfly wreath, spring bouquet, butterflies, get all sorts of neat stuff here. I'm going to open up Cute Bunny because I can't take the cuteness. I have to see it for myself. And here's 4 watercolor clip arts that you can see, perfect for Easter or for any sort of animal related artwork. I love this. Now, all of these downloads in this video include a lifetime license for personal and commercial use. So what that means is you can use this to make money. So you can just add to the cart and you can get it. Now, right now it says $4, but remember the bundle itself it's included. So right here you can see it's free. You can download for free. And it includes a bunch of stuff that normally costs $2, $3, $4. Let's go to the next bundle. This bundle is worth $178. This is called the Big Bundle Graphics, and this is a lot of watercolor and background stuff. This is actually surprisingly hard to find on the internet. If you're looking for freebies, it's not going to get much better than this. I'm going to open up this blue ocean background, and we can see here these are swirly backgrounds that are perfect for cards, crafting, anything like that. And we can see also here there's unicorn rainbow stuff, watercolor and acrylic. The ease of use on these is fantastic because you get one bundle and all of this stuff gets included. This is worth $178. It's yours completely for free. How about this bundle? This is called the Creative Font Bundle. This is worth $562. Yours completely free. You just click this green download button. And let's see what's involved here. When we're talking fonts, we're talking high-end fonts. Check these ones out. They've got little interesting glyphs, little interesting swirls to them. I'm going to pick on this one here. This one's called Witch Night. And I absolutely love the way this looks. And you can see through the scrolls here, they've got some really nice thumbnails where you can see the way it looks. Uppercase, lowercase. I think this looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to actually download this font. Okay, so I've downloaded the font bundle and we can see here it says Witch Night. I'm going to double click on the zip file and we can see now there's 2 types that open up. There's an open type font file and a true type font file. I like the open type font file. I'm going to click on that, double click the first one. You can see here it pops up, gives me a great look at what the font looks like. I simply click the install button. A little window pops up just off screen that says it's installed. There's another one here called Witch Night Dingbat. And look at all these extra little extras that we get here. I'm going to click install again. Looks amazing. And I'll just close out this window. And then I'll just open up Word and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I'm just in Word here. I'm just going to type in something that is near and dear to my heart, my name. I'm going to double click it here to highlight everything. And then I'm just going to click off of my fonts. I'm going to scroll on down and I'm going to find the Witch font now. Down in the W's, we can see here Witch Night, there it is. And then I'm just going to make it really large so we can just see what it looks like. That's a great looking font. And now I'm going to highlight it, Control C. I'll just click the Enter button, Control V. So I'll paste it. I'm going to highlight this and I'm actually going to change this now from Witch Night down to Witch Night, but it's going to be the Dingbat font. We can see these now pop up and this looks fantastic. So typing an A, a B, a C, D, E, F, and so on, we can see we get some great looking characters that pop up in our lives here. You could use these easily for print on demand or any sort of graphic design. And check out this bundle. This is called the Beautiful Fonts Mega Bundle, and they're not kidding when they say a mega bundle. $4,589 value, 353 premium fonts. And when I say premium, I'm not joking around. Check out the look of these fonts. These are professional level, absolutely gorgeous fonts. Wowie, wow. You can download all of these bundles in the video description below. I'm going to put the links there. And just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. And what that means is that if you click it and you do wind up buying something on Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. However, everything in this video today I'm talking about is completely free. Well, with the exception of one thing, if you have $1 in your pocket, you may want to take advantage of this. You can get unlimited access to everything on the site. We're talking 28,000 plus fonts. We're talking hundreds of thousands of graphics for $1. So what I would recommend you do is click on the link in the video description below for the trial to get your unlimited access subscription. It's $1 for the first month. And then this is a special deal that Creative Fabrica has done for me and for you guys. It's only $19 a month, which is about a 1/3 discount. It's 35% off. And it gives you unlimited access to everything. And it includes a commercial license. And you can cancel at any time. I really hope you found this helpful. I'm a huge fan of Creative Fabrica, and I'm glad to be an ambassador for this high quality website. And there's tons of tools. There's tons of crafting designs, graphics, and fonts. So feel free to poke around Creative Fabrica and see what strikes your fancy. I'm a big fan of the bundles. And as always, there is a freebie section right there. So if you're on the website and you want to check that out in more detail, check that out too. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Love to hear your comments and questions down below. And here's another video on the strength of Creative Fabrica and how it works.